Welcome to Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Past simple, regular verbs, positive, negative, spelling rules. I cooked dinner yesterday. I didn't cook dinner yesterday. I danced last night. I didn't dance last night. I painted a picture last summer. I didn't paint a picture last summer. I stopped at a supermarket 2 days ago. I didn't stop at a supermarket 2 days ago. I tidied my room yesterday. I didn't tidy my room yesterday. I played football last month. I didn't play football last month. See you again on Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe.